welcome back. I forgot I had that on. Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I have another DIY for you. So if you guys are interested in seeing this DIY, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be using these mini Cordell cups from the Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be going in with my extra fine glitter as well as my jumbo glitter. Now I'm going to go in with these silver napkin rings from Dollar Tree as well. Now I'm going to be using this brooch from Walmart. So now I'm just going to be going in with this old Bath and Body Works candle. Okay, so I'm going to be going right back in with that same glitter mixture. Now I'm going to be taking this ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I picked this up around Christmas time. If you do not have this kind of ribbon, you can always use some other type of silver ribbon that you have. Now I'm going to be going in with my rhinestones. So guys, I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue down here just so this will be able to stick a little bit better. So now I'm going to be using this button from Walmart. So guys, that's it. That's all that I have today. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this little video. If you have, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hitting the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.